Welcome everybody to Mr. Vargas's English class. Today we will begin our unit on bullying and how it is tied into a historical context, particularly the civil rights movement. Here are the content standards that we will be addressing in our unit this week. Here are the ELD standards that we will be addressing. Our objective is to make sure that our learners will demonstrate their understanding of being able to connect bullying into a historical context by viewing video clips of different instances of bullying that have taken place throughout history. They will then discuss with their groups what they saw. The ELD objective is to have students practice connecting ideas as well as exchanging information with their classmates. Part of what we will do is we will take video clips, a couple video clips that I will show in a little bit, and we will look for particular ideas of what we think is bullying in those videos. I will show videos. The first video we will be viewing is on the Selma to Montgomery, Alabama march that was led by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Culmination of a long struggle for voting rights that triggers a national outcry. Bloody Sunday is beamed across the nation, across the world, as the forces in Alabama try to turn back the idea that black people wanted to participate in the political process.
Now we had the right to march from Selma to Montgomery and to be protected. The governor, the sheriff department, and others would not interfere.
The march starts in Selma, crosses the Edmund Pettus Bridge, and makes it to 54 miles up through Lowndes County.
Down Highway 8. All the way to Montgomery. And all time we would stop to rest. Some brought food. It meant that some people were so determined to assist us.
I was 11 years old in the 6th grade, and my 6th grade class, we cleaned up at the campsite. My class was part of the cleanup crew. They camped out overnight for 4 different nights. They had a crew that would dismantle the tents, pack them up and move them up to the next campsite. They had a crew that did the same thing with the kitchen, the food, utensils and all that.
Also, there were whites who were determined to holler and discourage those persons who were white who were participating in the march.
But during the course of this campaign, even before the march is finished, Lyndon Baines Johnson takes to the airwaves before a joint session of Congress and announces that he's going to put before Congress a voting rights bill.
It was a great feeling of accomplishment, knowing that we had done something.
And So you will go ahead and watch. I've shown you brief clips of what I was talking about, and you will go ahead and explore these videos on your own. You will then go ahead and take all the information you have just watched, and you will compare. On one side, you will in a Venn diagram. On one side, you will have the Selma March, the walkouts, and then what is similar in between the two of them. You will discuss this with your groups and decide on, see what information you guys came up with, and discuss that information. Later on in the week, we will go ahead and you will work together in your groups and come up with a presentation that shows further information that you have found on this particular subject of bullying and in a historical context. And that is it. Thank you for your time. We will see you tomorrow.